Hey everyone, 2 weeks ago we visited our injection molding factory and mentioned that we'd be back to show you the mold process. Fast forward 2 weeks and we've wrapped up the rough mold for the lateral board and the blade plate. Today we are kicking off the mold for the main body shear. The cavity mold of the Lymow One body shear is made up of 3 main parts, and it's a 4-way mold built to accommodate complex features. There are numerous hollow spaces, things like the barrel, ejector pins, guide posts, cooling channels, and exhaust vents. Our mold for the main body shear alone has over 10,000 components, and that's why it cost us $500,000 on mold creation.